Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by Hankey Law Office.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele. Today we're coming to you from Hankey Law Office. We are joined by partner Ashley Marks, also senior attorney Melissa Davidson, and we're here to talk about insurance policies, what plans people should have in place in their lives. This is really important stuff. Let's also talk about some of those lesser known policies. Can we explain those?
Yes, thanks, Laura. We know the insurance policies that are bigger that we all need. We need that life insurance in place. We need to have our car insurance. But the one type of insurance that I always recommend that individuals have is called underinsured or uninsured motorist policy. Mm-hmm. This is a type of insurance that's going to protect you in the event that you get hit by another driver and that driver either doesn't have insurance at all, or their policy limits are not going to cover the full extent of your injuries and your pain and suffering. So if you don't have this personal insurance policy and you get hit by someone like that, it's very likely that you're just not going to receive fair compensation.
Well, and you really can't rely always on the other driver either. Melissa, let's talk about those other policies that you would recommend.
Mm-hmm. Sure, Laura. So in addition to that, I think a short and long-term disability policy is absolutely a must-have. Mm-hmm. In the event that you have an accident or become disabled due to illness, short and long-term disability can protect your income, and whether that's for a few months or even years, those are the types of policies that will help replace your wages and keep the bills paid and the lights on while you go through those things.
Okay, and if we can also talk about what steps should people take to get these policies in place?
Sure. Well, as Melissa was talking, when it comes to LTD and short-term disability benefits, I'd first check with your employer. Sometimes employers will offer this as part of a compensation package, or you can buy it through your employer and it'll just come out of your check. Mm-hmm. If that is not an option, though, you can check with any of the major insurance providers and they can give you a quote for that. Same when it comes to the uninsured and underinsured policies. You can check with your own policy first to make sure you don't have it. Mm-hmm. And if not, get yourself a quote. Both of these are usually really affordable plans and they can make a huge difference down the road.
Okay, and that's where you're coming in here with us today to tell us how people can find out more. Where can they go?
Sure, you can go to our website. It's hankeylaw.com. We have the ability to chat and text on there as well. And our phone number will be on the screen.
All right. Thank you so much for your time today, ladies. And if you would like to see your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@wthr.com.
Today's 13 Inside Track was sponsored by Hankey Law Office.